Hello, students. Before we get into our activity for today on Friday, I want to give you some directions to set up what I refer to as a daily blog. So, throughout the course of whether you're in class or virtual, you're going to be responsible to basically respond to most of the time open-ended questions that are going to somewhat substitute like an in-class discussion or things that we would start class with, and those types of things. So if I pull up here, for example, on Friday, your first question is going to be presented like this, and I'll explain it once we get to there. But your question will look something like this. As we go through the notes, different questions might pop up where I ask you to pause the video and answer those questions. So that being said, here's how I would set it up. First of all is I would open up your Google Drive, okay? And from there, you're going to create a new folder. Now, if you haven't done so already, I'm going to title this folder First 9 Weeks. Maybe put the year in there too. It's 2020, 2021. All right, and I'm going to create that folder. Now, just a quick little tip. If you put a 1 at the beginning and put a space after that 1, that's going to alphabetize that for your particular drive. Okay, so see that puts that right at the top of my stuff. That way, when I open my drive every single time, I'm going to see that first. Open that folder up, create another folder, new folder, and title it Economics. Okay, and I would suggest creating a folder for each class that you have. So you should have up to 4 folders in this particular case. Okay, so I'm in my first 9 weeks, I'm in my economics, I'm opening my economics folder, and then I'm going to create a Google Doc. Now that Google Doc, your first daily blog is going to be on 8/14/2020. All right, and as you went back and saw, if you go back and check the video, you see that your daily blog, your first thing is going to be written as such, okay? And it's an opinion question. So I think the economy is doing okay because I have a job. I don't know. You can write whatever you want. You may not necessarily have a whole lot to put down. That's obviously my job to teach you as we continue. You can write any number of things in there. Okay, so again, it's opinion based, it's completion based, it's not graded on correctness. Okay, the last thing you need to do is title this document. Okay, put your name up at the top. We talked about this in the initial video from Wednesday. Then just call it daily blogs. Obviously, your name is not Mr. Schaefer, so put your name in there. Okay, Mr. Schaefer daily blogs. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to access that basically every class period. So that's basically every day that you're going to have me for the most part. Okay, sometimes there'll be 1 question, sometimes 2. I guess there could be more also. All right. Have questions? Email me. I'm readily available. Thanks for watching.